Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the game's version and your OS build. This narrows causes quickly. Next, open Device Manager and check the audio device, update or roll back the driver depending on recent changes. Once done, disable overlays like Discord, Steam, and NVIDIA because they hook audio streams and often create conflicts. You should restart the game after each change to see immediate effect. That way you isolate which step fixed or failed to fix the issue. You now change in-game audio settings, reset everything to defaults, and then toggle voice and master volumes to force the engine to reinitialize audio. Next, explicitly select the system audio device by name rather than default so the game binds correctly. Then, test with headphones and speakers to compare behavior. This helps reveal whether it's a device-specific routing bug. As you proceed, make one change at a time and relaunch the game so you can identify which adjustment resolves the problem. To finish, confirm Windows sound format is set to 44,100 HC or 48,000 HC and match the game's expected sample rate. Mismatches cause dropouts. Then clear the Rainbow 6 cache, run the repair option in Ubisoft Connect, or reinstall the audio middleware if present. If the bug persists, capture audio logs, perform a clean driver uninstall and reinstall, and restart the Windows Audio service. These steps often resolve hidden conflicts. One key tip: if nothing works, test on a different PC to rule out hardware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.